What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today is day 4 and I am so close to this 90-hour fast. Clock is here. I get to eat at 2. So I'm hoping that the day goes by a little quickly. It is my Friday, so I don't have to work tomorrow. I've already taken out what I'm gonna eat. I've already weighed. So today I'm gonna break my fast with fiber, of course. Some fiber, pecans, walnuts, and I'm gonna try this today, some chia seeds. So I have chia seeds and flaxseed meal, but I'm gonna try the chia seeds first. The daily fiber for these are 10 grams. That is pretty good. And it has a lot of other stuff in it as well. And I was gonna get into this in another video, but I'll just briefly go over it. It has 10 grams of fiber, no sugars, 6 grams of protein, calcium 132 milligrams, iron 2 milligrams, potassium 198 milligrams. So this is some good stuff. So I am going to try to eat this. Now, how I'm going to do it is, some people put it in smoothies, yogurt. I don't eat yogurt. I do eat smoothies, but that's not what I'm going to try today. I am going, and I also bought this little grinder to grind them up. I am going to have fish. So I have the fish, I've taken it out. It's still hard, but it'll be soft by the time we get to 2. So I have fish, and then I have grits. I'm gonna eat grits because that's what we eat for breakfast sometimes. My family is like from the South, so we do fish and grits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry the fish, I'm gonna cook the grits on the stove, and I'm gonna grind the chia seeds up, sprinkle them into my grits, and see how that works. So we'll see. I was gonna try to eat, because the serving size is 2 tablespoons. So I was gonna try to do 2 tablespoons in the grits, but I don't know how that's gonna turn out. So I might try 1 tablespoon and see how it looks, how it turns, because if it doesn't look good, I can't eat it. I don't know, it's a mental thing. But if it does look good, then I'll go ahead and add the other half. But if it doesn't, I will go ahead and get a smoothie, like, I don't know, a little bit after, and then put it in there, and that's how I'll get my other grams. So that'll be 10 grams of the chia seeds, and then I'll have 6 grams of the pecans, because it's 3 grams every serving size, and I do 2 scoops. And then for the walnuts, it's 2 grams, so that'll be 4. So what is that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be 20 grams of fiber right there just from eating that. And I forget how much the raisins have in it. Let me give it a quick look. And I just dropped a lot of stuff there. So this is 2 grams. So that'll be 22 grams of fiber that I will be ingesting. So I'll be pretty good to go. I'll definitely get my fiber intake today. Oh, before I forget, for my gut health, I will be drinking these Cativas. Trying this out, not too sure about it. My wife told me about it, and it's for gut health. It's supposed to do everything to help your gut, okay? So I'm gonna try it out. She said this flavor is good. I will be drinking lemon ginger, and it also helps with my indigestion. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to break my fast. I have to go to work now. I'm probably gonna try to get a row in before I end my fast at 2. So I have to be very strategic because like I said, this is my Friday, so I have to get a lot of work done before I sign off for today. And that's it for the morning. I'll come back when it's time for me to cook so you guys can see that. All right, guys, so I just got finished rolling. Now I'm about to start cooking. I got the grease on. It's ready. Well, it's not ready. It's heating up. I'm about to grind up these chia seeds, put them in here. I will take that. I got this little grinder from Amazon. I can't remember how much it was. But I'm about to get started. I got my grits. So we are about to get started in this piece. I'll let you see the final product once it is done. And I've actually added in some Jiffy Mix because I was like, ooh, I need some cornbread with my fish. So we're gonna do some cornbread, some fish, and some grits. I will let you see once I'm done. Okay, so I didn't know if y'all might want to see this process, but I put 2 tablespoons into the grinder, and now I'm about to grind it up. And it's supposed to turn it really, really fine. So I think I just press this thing down and then it starts to chop it up. Let's see. Oh yeah. It might not do it as fine as I need it though, because they already are small. And I am not certain if that's gonna be. I wanted it to be kind of like peppery, really. But it's looking like it's still gonna be like. Oh no, it's kind of getting there. Yeah, that looks good. So they gave me this little brush to go with it. This little brush here to go with it, and I guess to scoop all of that out of it. So, I mean, it's pretty fine. It's finer than it was. So that's how they look, you know, in the bag. If you've never seen them before, this is my first time. And this is how they're looking. Grind it all up like that. So it does resemble pepper. I am happy with how it's turned out because, like I said, I want to put it in my grits or smoothie or what was the other thing? I was thinking about putting it on peanut butter because, like I said, I don't eat yogurt and I don't eat cottage cheese. Like, I don't eat the regular things that you could put this stuff on, I feel like, because my wife put hers in yogurt and I just don't eat it. But I think we're going to be good with this. So I'm happy about those results. I got to clean the fish and then I'm going to be able to stick it in the fryer. Hopefully my wife will be back by that time. Then I got to get the grits on and I'll probably show you a little bit of that too. All right, so I've got my grits on. They are on and popping. They're looking good. They are looking good. So grits are on, and I got my fish seasoned. I got my flour right here, and the grease is ready. Right now it's 1:45, and I'm about to put all of this together and have some lunch and break my fast. I will pull you all in once I get everything together, because now it's like crunch time. All right, so we have finished product. We got the grits, we got the fish, we got the 5-pack peanut butter crackers, got a little fiber in them. We got the gut bacteria going on, and the cornbread is in the oven. Ooh, you can kind of see it. But it's not ready yet, but I'm about to eat because it's 2:14. All right, so let's look at the, look at that. So we got 90 hours and 13 minutes. And that is how we do a 90-hour fast, guys. I will check in after I eat. Let you know how it was. All right, what's up, everybody? So we have come to the end of the day. Basically, it's 5:45, and my working day has ended. And as you can see, Debbie is on her way up the coast to us because the sky is not bright. It is very cloudy. We got a lot of clouds in the sky. It's been raining off and on today, so I didn't get out to walk. However, I did go row, which was great. The food that I ate was pretty good. I didn't tape that. I'm sure you guys don't want to see that. I did oversalt my grits, so I didn't get to eat all of them. And because of that, those little seeds that I was gonna put in there, I did put them in there, but because the grits were too salty, I barely ate any. So that was a miss, but I'm gonna try again. I'll probably do a smoothie or something. Not today, maybe the next time. So we shall see. But let's wrap up this 90-hour fast. That, mind you, anybody who voted, thank you for voting. I really appreciate it. I thought that that was really fun and interactive for us to do. So thank you for voting. Apparently, most of you thought that I was only gonna make it to about 36 hours, which is ADF. But I actually made it to 90 hours, guys. 90 hours. Let me pull it up exactly. So here it is, and you can't really see it, but right there, you can see that I fasted for 90 hours. 90 hours and 14 minutes to be exact. That was Sunday at 8 p.m. all the way to today at 2:14 p.m. 90 hours, guys. Okay, so how did I feel about it? I felt pretty good. I mean, if you go back and look at all the videos, you can see that I felt pretty good about it. I didn't really have any hunger pains. Yesterday, I had a little bit, I started thinking about food, so that's how I knew it was getting close, whenever I started thinking about it. So that was that. But overall, like I said, and I think I said this the last time I did the 90 hours, it is doable for sure for me. The one thing that I don't like about it is that socially, it's difficult. Now, the best thing about this week is socially, I didn't have anything to do. So it was easy. I came home, you know, when I had to go into work, I came home and did whatever and went to sleep. Sleeping is like a fasting person's best friend, because during those sleeping hours, you know, you're not thinking about food. You're dreaming about food if you are thinking about food, and you know that time flies by versus like during the day. So it was pretty cool for me. Now let's go ahead and get into what you guys probably really want to hear about, which is the weight loss. I should have did a poll for that, actually. Maybe next time I'll do a poll for that. Now before I get into the weight loss piece, let's track down the workout piece. So as far as a workout, I did work out on Tuesday in the gym. I did a little bit of elliptical. I did weight training. It was an arm day, a chest and, no, not an arm day. It was a chest, because my chest is still sore. It was a chest day. And on Wednesday, I believe that was the walk day where I was supposed to go to the gym. I ended up not going to the gym. And then I got home and ended up not working out, but me and my wife did go for a walk. Today, I got on the rower, and that'll probably be it for today. I probably will not have any weights involved. I need to try to start doing that a lot more in order to really kind of change my body composition. So look for more of the weight training. Let me know if weight training is something that you guys want to see. I'm not real sure how I would do it or what have you, or if you even want to see it. But I'm not I used to lift in college a lot. But now it's just, I follow the app. Whatever the app tells me to do, that's what I do. I may modify some things, but outside of that, I just do what the app says. So that's how I weight train. If you want to see it, let me know. But let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get into the weight. And I will put this up on the screen so you, as I'm talking about it, you'll actually be able to see it. So you don't have to try to remember everything if that's what you're doing. All right, so I weighed in Monday, I weighed in Tuesday, I weighed in Wednesday, I weighed in today. Monday's start weight was 283 with a 51.9% body fat. Weigh in today, drum roll please. God, I am so happy to be back, guys. So today, weigh in this morning. Now, I was gonna weigh in right before I stopped fasting, but during the day, the cycle pops on. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. So I actually think that I probably lost more weight than the scale said, but since my cycle is on, obviously, you know, you never know when your cycle is on. So that happened during midday. I did not share that with you, but I'm sharing it with you now, just as a caveat to the weight loss. All right, so let's go back into it. So like I said, 283 on Monday, down to 272 today, guys. So you know how much the weight loss that is? The app is telling me it's 11 pounds. 11 pounds in 4 days. 11 pounds in 4 days. You heard me correct. It is 11 pounds in 4 days. The body fat on that is 52.4. Now, I'm not real concerned with that, only because, like I said, my cycle has started, and you know, you get all types of stuff with that. So I'm not even gonna go into that. Ladies, you know, men, if you don't know, ask your wife, ask your sister, ask your sister-in-law, baby cousin's best friend. They'll give you all the information on that. But I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the loss. It's actually starting to rain, but that's okay. I'm happy with the loss. 11 pounds, getting back on the wagon. I would say that is a good run and jump back on the wagon and safely land it, right? I do want to say that this weekend I am going out of town because we have a family reunion. So what I might do, I said that I would post daily, and I want to keep to that commitment. But I normally do and cut my videos on my computer, which I won't be able to do because I'm not taking it. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably have to use my phone, and maybe it'll be more like little snippets of things. Now, when I'm gone, I am going to try to fast a little, which means, you know, not like I just did now with the 90-hour fast. I'm probably gonna be at a minimum 16 hours. That's what I'm gonna try to do. So we'll see how that works. I wanna stay on the path, the golden path, but my plan for when I get back is to go right into a whole nother 90-hour fast. So I'm trying to lose weight quick so I can get into this maintaining phase, right? I'm trying to at least get back to where I was before I fell off the wagon, and then get a little further and then get into the maintain. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty happy with the week. I hope you guys did good in your week. Please let me know what you're doing. I want to know. I want to hear from you. Please let me know. And I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I think we had a fantastic week. Everybody was real interactive. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you've stayed this long, I thank you. I appreciate you. And listen, if I can do this, if I can lose 11 pounds in 4 days, you can for sure believe it. And I'll catch you in the next video.